Welcome to TSS Associates Guide for the Bosch Greentherm. Today, we'll show you how to troubleshoot an A7 error code. Let's get started. If you are receiving an A7 error code, the heat exchanger hot water temperature sensor is disconnected or damaged. The sensor is located on the left side of the appliance, about midway down. To troubleshoot, check the sensor wire connections and replace if defective. Next, attach your test leads to the sensor molex and ohm out the sensor. Use the chart to help ohm out the sensor. For example, if the temperature is 140 degrees Fahrenheit, your resistance should be 3 ohms. If your readings do not correlate, replace the sensor. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this training video helpful and informative. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to reach out. Like, share, and subscribe for more valuable content. Have a great day.